How to edit TikToks entirely on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on TikTok application. As you're logged into your account on TikTok application, what you simply need to do in order to edit the TikTok is first of all, let's create it or let's have a project over here. So I'm going to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen over here. And as you tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to create TikTok over here. So you can also edit over here on for the TikTok videos. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. So here, let's just click a random video. And as we are done clicking a video, you can simply tap on the check mark. And as you tap on the check mark over here, you'll be able to see different options to edit your TikTok. So you'll just be able to see all the options over here on the right side of the screen, like from adding the text to stickers to add effects and filters, using your voices over here as well, and so on. As you're done editing, you can tap on next and post it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.